Okay, my board was on the other screen, so I use two screens when I teach. All right, so we're going to start by graphing this first line, y equals 1/2 x minus 1. So again, the y-intercept is 0, -1. And then we start at that point. The slope is 1/2. So I'm going to go up 1 and to the right 2, up 1/2. And so this is the graph of y equals 1/2 x minus 1. And then to graph the first equation, I just want to rewrite that. I have -3x plus y equals 4. And so I can add 3x to both sides. So I get y equals, I'm just going to write the 3x first, plus 4. So y equals 3x plus 4. And so my y-intercept is 4. And then that's 3/1. So I go up 3 and over 1. And then I'm going to graph this second line. So this one is -3x plus y equals 4. And this line is 1/2 x minus 1. I also wanted to show you guys, you could also just pick points. So here I could put in when x is 0, y is -1. And when x is 2, y is 0. And get my 2 points that way. And up here, when x is 0, y is 4. And then you could put in when x is 1, then I would get -3 plus y equals 4, or y equals 7. So when x is 1, y is 7. So you can get the 2 points that way as well. So I just wanted you to know you can either just find your 2 points, or you can rewrite this in slope-intercept form. So this one has a unique solution. So we want to pick this. So based on what we learned before, we use this to determine how many solutions we have. So here we have just one solution. And so we use this. And the solution is at -2. X is -2, y is -2. So it's at -2, -2. Right, and let's do another one of those. So again, I'm going to graph the second one first because it's already in slope-intercept form. So the second equation, the y-intercept is +1. And then this says -1/3. So we go down 1 and to the right 3 from this point, start at this point and go down 1 and to the right 3. That's my second point. And then the first line is -x minus 3y equals 0. And we need to get y equals, so I'm going to add x to both sides. And I get -3y equals x. And then I'm going to divide both sides by -3. And I get y equals -1/3 x. And remember, there's basically a +0, okay? So my y-intercept in this case is 0. So my point is at 0, 0. And then I'm going to go down 1 and over 3, down 1 and over 3. And by the way, when the slopes are the same, slope of this equation is -1/3. The slope of this first equation is negative 1/3. Whenever that happens, we're going to get two parallel lines. And remember, whenever we have two parallel lines, that means that they never cross. So we get no solution. There's no point that satisfies both. So it's no solution. And if they ended up on top of each other, we have infinite many solutions. So in this case, we have no solution. So you're just going to click this no solution, and that puts it in there. So that's how you do those.